Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Lewis.
And I'm Shawnee.
And together, we're the Dream Chasers. I just thought I'd bring you along for the latest video to show you around my newest van build, which is a 2009 Renault Master ex-ambulance. I've been converting it for about the last 6 months in between work. So I just thought I'd show you around the inside of it.
Come on in. This is the first time we've had a van that actually sleeps the four of us. We make a bed in the front, and this is where Dion will sleep. And where we sit, our dining area, also goes into a bed, and that's where Erin sleeps.
Knows Erin?
Our daughter, Erin. That's where she sleeps. And then at the back is our bed, where we sleep.
So as well as sleeping us all, it also has everything else we need. As in, I've got 240 electric on a hookup. We have got an inverter in. I very rarely use it. But we've got 240, 12 volts running off 220 watt solar panels, giving us 240 watts running to our energy system. We have a few USB sockets because we don't need a lot. We need charge our phones, charge the laptop, which I run off a power bank anyway, just to save my batteries. So we've got the LED lights up there in some way, there. And then we've got a few USB dotted about the place. One in the bedroom area for charging the phone in the night. There's one up there for Erin to charge her phone. One in the front for Dion to charge while he's sleeping. There's a 12 volt fan that sucks air in or takes air out if we're cooking and with the door shut. And then a diesel heater. We don't use a lot of power. We only use the light in the night for a while. Do you know what I mean? If you chuck a film on, the lights go off. In the daytime, the doors are usually open, even with the rain. So that's pretty much everything we need for power. This has got a kitchen, which I will let Shawnee show you.
So this is our kitchen. We've got a double gas burner, which is plenty to cook on. We do have a portable one, so if I do need extra, we got it. But we use that mainly to cook when we're outdoors or to sit outside when it's sunny. In here is our pots and our pans and everything we need to cook with. And then in this top drawer, we got our fresh water and our grey water. Then in the bottom drawer, we have cups and cutlery and things to make coffee, like our mugs. And this is our sink with running cold water at the moment. We do have the ability to have hot water. We do have a boiler, but it's just not set up yet. And another thing that I really love that Lewis fitted is this magnetic bar for all our knives and pieces I need to cook with, tin opener, etc.
And it also stops them rattling, doesn't it, when we travel.
Oh yeah, that helps. Another part of our kitchen is this big storage cupboard where we keep all our munchies. Speaking of munchies, there is another video which shows all the munchies we take on the road with us. We'll put a link in the description.
I will put a link in the description.
Lewis will put a link in the description.
When I was building it, I thought we'd have plenty of storage. As in, like I said, there's food cupboard, there's 4 cupboards down below, which you just seen Shawnee showed you. Trip Earth, where we keep mine and Shawnee's clothes for travelling, but we don't take a lot. So that's for ours. Our coats mag go in the garage under the bed. And then we also have this long unit, and it's got 4 compartments. So we've got plenty of storage, and also we'll show you above the cab.
Oh yeah, I forget to put this bit.
But up there, that's just where I keep all the insulation for the windows. And there's some other junk up here. We also have this space under the bed. And that's just where we keep our cool box and some other stuff. And also the garage, which is the same as every other garage, but there will be, our next video is showing what we pack to take away with us. So you'll get to see the garage then, and I'll also show you electrics. So our seating area / dining area is big enough for the 4 of us to eat around the table. It is a tight squeeze because obviously I wanted to cram as much in the van as we could.
But it works.
But it works. That's pretty much for the interior of the van, really. What makes a van look better, or for me, is just the little trinkets and the little things you put in a van to make it more homely. Like little mirrors and signs, and all this stuff is velcroed in so it doesn't move when we drive in. Lights. But yeah, so that's our van. Let us know in the comments. Wait there now, wait a minute. The best thing about my van, let me show you. Our sticker wall. The old friends and people we have met up with over the last, was it 12 months?
Yep.
Who see your stickers?
Let us know.
Let us know in the comments. That's pretty much for the interior van tour. Thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And see you in the next one. Bye.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious.